And at that, we leave Qaqortoq, Greenland. It was a rainy day, but it sure was neat being here, seeing the colorful buildings, getting my passport stamped at the police station, looking for whales and not being successful. Now we have our anchor moving down there, pulling it in, I guess. A little tighter anyway. They pulled it in earlier, but we have 4 sea days next. May have some swells tonight, he says, and hopefully this fog will lift. Or I guess this isn't fog so much as clouds or marine layer, but it'd be nice to see the northern lights one more time. Maybe catch them on camera. I've yet to be able to catch them on video. Qaqortoq. Goodbye. I think I read there's over 3,000 people that live here. It doesn't look like it. Must be more homes somewhere. Just beyond there is a lake I took pictures of. I hear a neighbor yelling goodbye to them. Yeah, I walked, where is this? I walked all along in there, and I walked way up into there, and I walked back there and saw the lake. I came down here to the fish market, and then I walked up that way. This way there is way over here, heliport, which I took a video of, and I walked as far as that right there, and then I went back into town. I'm sorry. And now we leave. No, I never did come over this way. Look at this one little house right there. Got quite the view, but I don't think that's a nice part of town. Oops, sorry. Oh, icebergs. And a boat. You just never know when you're going to see one. I want to take a picture of this. Well, I guess I can take a screenshot of it or something, but